blues and purples and oranges and lots of colors.
Yeah, it's a crayon box.
Yes.
All right, let's take a look at this place. All right, so walk me through. When you guys were rehabbing this place, what was your first thing that came to mind?
The kitchen was a disaster.
Yes.
Everything was original from 2006.
Yes.
So you had a mismatch of flooring from
Yes.
various generations
Yes.
up for the last 20 years.
Yeah.
They did little bits of this and that. And
Now, we had vinyl or carpet?
no carpet. There was vinyl.
The really thin vinyl.
There was this stick-on.
Like the peel and stick stuff?
There was the peel and stick.
Okay,
There was some rooms that had the vinyl plank. There was just a little of this. There was some tile in some places.
Yeah. Oh, man.
There was a little of this, a little of that.
Yeah. Well, I absolutely love what you did with the floors. Now, where'd you find this material at?
This was Home Depot.
And this is luxury vinyl planks?
Yep.
Yes.
These are the 10 millimeter
Yeah.
for industrial, heavy, commercial, whatever.
Yeah.
Should last forever. Doesn't scratch.
Yeah.
Good
That's
for good for dogs.
This is good quality, and that was very smart because we knew at the end goal was to rent it or whatever other extra strategy we have, Airbnb, whatever. But I know with this type of flooring, this is good. This is made to last. So I'm gonna walk into bedroom number 1. Wow, look at this. There was something funky in this bedroom.